And we also look at now the actual data being flown here. So now, once I know my depth information, which means the actual physical structure, and the point cloud that's coming in will give you the high accuracy for measurements. Now, another level of insights can be developed to monitor and predict the ore content. At different stages, crushing and milling. If you have a low-grade waste that's coming, it can be eliminated from the very energy-intensive processing stream here. And you can also establish a benchmark for what size that's being blasted and what is coming to the crusher and the further stages down the primary crusher now. So how does that integrate with the plant control systems now? So once the devices are set up, as you can see, either indoor and outdoor, you have the algorithms which are continuously analyzing nonstop once it's installed. And this data can be fed to the plant control systems to understand whether we are getting the agreed size for our feed rate or not, or whether the run-of-the-mill operations for several belt in the circuits are getting the size that are supposed to be. So those can be monitored, and then this feed rate adjustment can be done, and the alerts can be set up to the plant control to adjust, things based on your plant optimization program. And the operators can make the decisions as they're seeing the data. So no need to wait for a shift to end or another proactive instead of predictive, instead of what's been reactive maintenance really needed. Now you're seeing the proactive data beforehand to understand what's really needed now for my next shift as well. So planning the shift, if my blast is coming from a certain location, I can adjust the feed rate based on what I'm going to run, for today. So how it works in terms of the data capture and processing. So you set up the system in different stages of the mining circuit, either at the crusher, at the primary, or the belt operations. The data is continuously being analyzed here, and we can see the process intelligence comes out from that, which is it is scanning continuously at each passing rock, and we see that it is continuous scan, so there is no sampling of data. Every time a rock is being passed, it is using that analysis, to pass that information. And we can see the number of rocks, different aspect of flow rate as well, percent fines, and the oversized, rocks that we see. And you can also see the other aspect of the plants as well. So detection of empty belt. And this is one of the big side benefits that comes in when you know that based on my today's production, how much time where the belt was empty. So we're just running the energy while there was no production happened. Another aspect of this is screen anomalies, really understanding the size that's coming, and if it's the screens anomalies, which means the sizes are either bigger, just only a few inches, and if we are able to trap this early, we can avoid the screen damages, which is resulting into your overall equipment efficiency. You can improve your OEE time as well now. So size gradation, what it can detect is these are texture data, so it can also understand colors of the rock, and that based on that, these texture classifiers, we can also see the contamination. So whether it's a clay or if it's an actual ore that's coming, along with the anomaly side, as well as we have talked about earlier, if it's a large metal piece that's came in or a plastic, there is an alerting systems can be developed to instantly inform the operator now. So going further more detail into this, just a video demonstration here, as the crusher, primary crusher area, as you can see, the truck is instantly dumping the all rock particles. And as you can see, it is each scan, each passing rock is being analyzed here. So what we build is the optical flow tracking, which means instead of just taking a look at the images and analyzing just the image. It is using the actual optical flow of that and instantly looking at each passing rock. So there is no sampling of data that allows you to give a good understanding of what is in this dump truck actual load is there. And similarly, as we see in the belt as well. So as each passing is happening of the belt, it's building a good understanding of what's my size distribution here for the belt and the run-of-the-mill operation. So allowing this information, as we see if there are oversized rocks, as you can see, those are in red. So that's not good for the operators here. So how do we build that alerting system? And this can be integrated to the feed rate now, or the just adjustments can be done, for the plant settings.